Hi, myself Rohit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I say anything, I just want to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor. Any risk that you take is completely on your own and you're responsible for your own money. Like I mentioned yesterday, there was the earnings coming up for Tesla today. So even after the worldwide chip shortage and an incident going on with the Tesla car, still the Tesla was able to beat the earnings. Tesla post record net income of 438 million. Revenue surges by 74%, as well as earning of 93 cents per share on 10.39 billion in revenue. On the earning call, Elon Musk said that the delayed new version of the company Model S sedan will be delivered starting in the May 2021 and Model X deliveries will begin in the third quarter of the year. So how was it possible for Tesla to beat the earnings today? Elon Musk says Tesla sold Bitcoin to prove liquidity as a cash alternative. In the starting of this year, Elon Musk invested in the Bitcoin, and after that Bitcoin had surged quite a bit. Just in my personal opinion, I think that was a pretty bad decision made by Elon Musk. Elon Musk and his company Tesla are doing very well, and if you're trying to cut a shortcut in order to keep up with the revenue and the numbers, that might not come in his favor in the long run. I'm pretty bullish on Elon Musk as well as Tesla. I believe that definitely Tesla will do very well in the future. It's a very high growth company and this is a life-changing opportunity that people are going to get by investing into this company. But with the current situation and the current evaluation of the stock right now, whatever the price of the stock is, I think it's a little bit overvalued. I'm not holding any stock of Tesla right now because I think there might be a correction coming in soon. So in the post market, the Tesla stock right now is showing that it's down for 2.49% from its peak for today. So there is a slight bit of a sell-off coming in after all the news that came out today after the earnings of Tesla. Now what we are looking forward to is the earning that's going to come for NIO on Thursday. NIO is definitely a very good company. It's doing exceptionally well in China. Last week NIO had a pretty good run. Let's see how the earnings are going to come on Thursday for NIO. There might be a good opportunity to do some sort of a day trading in NIO on Thursday if the earning report is pretty good. So today I'm going to bring up some few more other stocks for you. These are basically the index funds. Ticker symbol VTI, Total Stock Market Index Vanguard. So these are one of the safest plays that you are having in the stock market. Even if there is a crash or a correction, you will still not lose a pretty significant amount of money as compared to what you can lose in a regular company like Tesla and NIO. And even it pays a dividend of 1.58%. And the second one is VOO S&P 500 Vanguard ETF. It gives you a dividend as well for 1.40%. If you invest your money into these stocks, there is not much volatility into it. Even they give you a dividend as well. Next one, ticker symbol VUG Growth ETF Vanguard. And this one is giving you a dividend of 0.74%. Good companies like Apple and Microsoft, they have a very high growth in future and they pay you a dividend as well, and there is not much volatility in these stocks. So today Microvision ended at $26.44 and it was up by 47.13% just for the day. This stock is going to definitely have a pullback in a couple of days time. This thing might go up a little bit more. This stock is just shorted 20% and the Wall Street bets, they like to buy the stock of the companies which are shorted. So this is just 20%. AMC is another one. GME, we already know. GameStop. Don't have the fear of missing out when you look at the stocks like this. Microvision, if you already had a position in it, I would recommend you to take your profits or just wait for tomorrow as well. There might be a quick surge tomorrow morning as well, but don't forget to take your profit because these are just temporary spikes that you're getting in the stock market right now. And it typically seems to be like a bull trap that we are seeing right now. Stock market is basically the more time you're going to spend, the more years you're going to spend in the stock market, you will be able to understand more about what is the pattern and what is basically happening in the market and where it's going in future, why the stocks are being very volatile and what is actually happening in the market. This thing will come to you through experience. In my experience, I'm telling you this stock is going to pull back significantly very soon, but it might go up for another 1 or 2 days, or maybe tomorrow morning itself there might be a sell-off on it. Now few more safe stocks that I need to bring it to your attention today. Ticker symbol ARKA. It's ARK Innovation ETF. As we know, we all love Cathie Woods and we believe in her decisions of buying certain companies which are having a high growth future. They invest into the big companies, Coinbase, Tesla, So all the profit that's going to come from those stocks that they have invested their money into, it will be getting into these ETF. These are very simple and easy plays. You don't have to have a sleepless night if you are investing your money into the stock market. These stocks doesn't fluctuate way too much. Even if there is a crash, you won't have a major loss coming into your account as compared to any other ordinary stock which might fall apart. And the second one is ARKJ, ARK Genomics Revolution. I personally believe that the Genomics Revolution is just around the corner, and ARK has already put his feet into it. They are buying the company. The only drawback of these ETF that I feel like is that they don't provide you any dividends, but the growth that you have in these stocks a little bit more than the stocks that are with the dividends. And the last one, it's ARKX, that's ARK Space Exploration and Innovation ETF. So this is just introduced recently to the stock market. Right now it's at $20.85. So this ETF is basically going to go around all these space related companies. So if you're thinking of yourself investing in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching my video. In the meanwhile, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, stay positive and stay active.